In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone on your PC. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure you watch this video right until the end, and let's get right into it. Here we are on my desktop, and I just want to go and quickly clear something up. So a lot of people think COD Warzone is actually on Steam. That is not true. You're not going to find COD Warzone here. As you can see, I've gone to search for Call of Duty Warzone, and there's only Advanced Warfare and another random game. So Steam is not much use in this guide. But what you need to do is go and open up your web browser and come to a search engine such as Google, and all you need to do is go and search for Warzone. So type in COD, Warzone, and then you need to add Battle.net. Now Battle.net is essentially a launcher. It's similar to Steam but a bit different. And then all you want to do is make sure you come to the official website, which is battle.net Call of Duty Warzone. I'll try and put a link in the description as well so you can get to the correct website. But it's going to look something like this, and here we are. So then all you need to do is come onto this button here which says play for free and go and tap on it just like so, and this is going to go and open up a new tab, and it opens up to Blizzard, and Blizzard is another really trustworthy place where you can download games and launchers. So because I'm using Google Chrome, my downloads appear in the bottom, but if you're using a different browser, you're going to need to open up your downloads folder in your file explorer and go and open up the launcher there. But because I'm using Chrome, I'm just going to go and drag it onto my desktop, and then we can go and launch it. So I'll just come and close off of Chrome now, and we'll double tap on the launcher setup, and here we are. Then all you need to do is set the language. So I'm English and from the UK, so I'll click continue. And then it's starting battle.net. You're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't go and record that. And then you'll go and get this box here saying updating battle.net update agent. That's because we just downloaded the launcher. And then once that finished, this installation screen is going to load up. And as you can see, it's asking for an install location. Now, personally, I'm going to go and change this because it's on my SSD and I want it on my hard drive, and it's going to take up quite a lot of space. So after you click next, it's then going to go and start installing battle.net. And battle.net is essentially a launcher for Warzone. So you need to wait for this to download and install, and then we can go and get Warzone. So keep watching. And then once it's finished downloading and installing, it's going to be on your desktop, and you need to go and sign in with an account. So if you don't already have one, go and click on create a free battle.net account. So I just got finished creating my battle.net account, so I'm now going to go and relaunch it, and then I can go and sign in. And then the first time you go and open it up, it's going to give you the what's new page here, so just close off of it and then go and press on the cross because I don't need to look around really. And then all we need to do is go and find Call of Duty Warzone. So in this case, mine's right at the top as you can see, but you may need to go and scroll down, but you can also go and filter it here as well. So I'm going to go and click on Call of Duty Warzone and then go and click play for free, and you need to go and enter your date of birth to continue. So here we are, we're now installing Warzone. So it is important to note you're going to need at least 93 gigabytes, which is pretty insane. So I'm going to have to go and change my install location. And you've got a few options here, and when you're ready, all you need to do is press start install, and it's now downloading. So in the bottom left, it's now saying installing, and it's going to go and tell you what it's doing and like the percentage it's got as well. So then all you need to do is wait for this. It's going to take some time just because of the size of the file. And then once it's finished, all you need to do is go and select Warzone. And where it currently says installing, there's going to be a play button. And then once it's finished as well, if you selected it, there's going to be an icon so you can launch it quickly here. Or you just need to go and open the Battle.net app up, and then you can go and play it by pressing play here. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing. Leave a like for more. Peace.